You may ask me, Pastor, why are you playing this? But remember, Christians are to be aware of what Satan is doing, of his wiles, and of his wiles.
I count my money when I sleep. I think that's why I don't sleep. Yeah, all these thoughts keep me awake.
We're here at the gym right now using the Venus Laowa 10mm wide-angle lens. We're just gonna get every shot we can get and just see what comes out creatively. We're rocking the metas right now.
I buried my bro the other day. There's $250,000 in a bag. You're buried beneath the water tank. You come and get it if you dare. I'm always down to test my aim, 'cause God knows I'm trusted back. I tried to once, now that shit rain. Just trying to make 100 mil. Yeah, maybe then I'll take a pill. Just little something to help me sleep. Just little.
You're okay, you're okay. Alright, so this lens is amazing because you can get super up close. I got kicked in the hand right now, that was my fault. So you can get really up close with this, so you just got to be careful of the distance you're keeping from everybody. But other than that, this is a great lens right now. I'm just snapping away like crazy.
I'm feeling the tempo. Just wanna hold that door. Stepping out in the glow. Yo, racing like a door. Get to the bungalow. Don't need a radio. Hola, aloha, hey, hello. Hola, aloha, hey, hello. Hola, aloha, hey, hello. Hola, aloha, hey, hello. Ooh, tell me what you wanna do. We got nothing to lose. Go and make it debut. It's true, deep as the ocean blue. Good times up in the queue. I let it rendezvous. Hola, aloha, hey, hello. Hola, aloha, hey, hello. Hola, aloha, hey, hello. Hola, aloha, hey, hello. Papaya, papaya, hey, hey. Papaya, papaya, hey, hey. Papaya, papaya, hey, hey.
Let's go! To the rooftop, baby, I know. Yeah, we'll get so high. Let's roll. Need a door wide open. Elevator, elevator, elevator. Whoa, come down. They don't try to shut us down. We keep dancing to the sound. On a rooftop in the cloud. This elevator won't come down.
Over there. Made a man.
What's up, guys? So today we're on the Venus Laowa 10mm f.28 lens. This lens is amazing. I have been taking as many photos as I can because I rented it. I gotta send it back, but this lens has been such a game changer for photography for me, and even like video right now. I think it's so cool to have this. Look how wide this is. Look how much it's getting of my whole body. So I'm gonna pop you guys right here. We're gonna try to be as safe as possible. But this is the Venus Laowa, and you can get my whole body. You can get up until right over here with it. I'm all the way at the wall, and then you can get all the way over here until I'm out of frame. So this lens has been such a freaking game changer for me. The more that I have been playing around with action cameras like this Nano right here, so maybe we'll try to get like a little thumbnail. Let's see. We're gonna have to go to like, yeah, 6.3. So the focus peaking right now is white, which I'm not used to. I usually use red, but that's pretty cool that it's got it on there. So we've got meta recording as well too, so you can see what this lens looks like all around. I love that kind of like bluish, almost gunmetal gray. I really want this lens for my kid. This is gonna be such a game changer for sports photography and just lifestyle and portraits, because the way you can crop in but get a whole lot of the space that you really want. So more thoughts to come. I gotta run to class, but really digging this. Look at that. All right guys, so you can see this wide angle right now. I'll be there in a second. Just telling my wife that I'll be home in a little bit. I just want to get some more test shots with this wide angle lens. Right now we're on 1/100 shutter speed. We're shooting at 24 frames per second. So we've got the DJI Nano, the Nano. So we're outside right now. Look how wide, look how beautiful this wide angle is. No ND filter on right now either. So we'll see how that plays out. This is the first time I'm actually recording, not the first time, but really the first test that I am doing video-wise with a Sony A7 IV. I did a couple like talking head shots in the car in another video, but this is the first time I'm actually doing it. Let's prop this up. So we're gonna get different angles. Look at that. Gosh, I love this lens. I love this lens. So right now we are wide. You can see everything. I can't even, the more back I go, the wider it feels. So if I come right about here, I'm touching each end of the car right now, and you can see all that. On a normal lens, maybe like a 24-70, you'd probably get maybe about this much. But I love the way this lens pushes me out. Like these angles right here are amazing. Hey Meta, record. So we're recording on the Meta right now. And I'm gonna put the Osmo up here, get that top down angle in there. This is sick, dude. I've got you right here on the Sony A7 IV 10mm Laowa wide angle lens, f2.8. And then I've got the DJI up here. We're connected to the mic mini, and we're shooting 4K, 30 frames per second, 4.3 on here right now, and rock steady -1.7 exposure value. So we've got everything going. Guys, the reason why I'm doing these tests is to show you that no matter what camera you use, you can get the points of view that you want. So you can use the Nano with an A7 IV, you can use a Nano with an Action 5, Nano with an Action 6. I love doing these tests. I love doing the back and forth stuff. So I've got this like little trunk cover that extends out, and now you've got the point of view on here. So if we're looking from the Nano at the A7 IV, you can see straight on, it's right there. I almost walked out into the street there. All right, guys, I don't know. This is just really cool. I love playing with this thing. See where else we could put the Nano. I know I could put it up there. And we'll get a straight sky shot up there while we close the trunk. That's the Laowa 10mm lens right there. And we're gonna keep playing around with these. I really want to do more video with this lens, especially on Instagram with the POV. This is a great lens when you shoot vertically as well. Even if you were to shoot regular or 4:3, this camera is so wide that it can crop in and really get you the content that you want without losing any resolution, without losing any quality. You can crop in, so I don't need all of this essentially. I just need to bring it in here. I would use all of this for stylistic choices, but I don't really need it. So that's where shooting on Instagram would really come into play there. So that's all we have for today. Appreciate you guys for coming, watching, and supporting. I'm hoping to do a lot more of this, and it's just been fun. It's been really fun to be able to come on YouTube, really just grow organically, meet people, and really have a great time doing it. I haven't had so much fun in a year than I've had in the last 6 to 8 months since starting YouTube. And just watching myself grow from the first video to now where I'm just playing around with all the tools, right? I used to accumulate and get all the gear, and now I'm just really enjoying being able to give you guys all of my insight on how to use these cameras from somebody who isn't a camera professional. I'm just using these cameras to chase a dream that I've had inside for so long. And I hope that you continue to feel inspired and encouraged to do the same. And what we say on this channel is to stay human, because that's what I want to do in the way that I show up, in the way that I talk about all the gear, and the way that I talk about life. I love you guys. I hope you enjoy yourselves. Go out there, make the world your sandbox, and stay human. Peace.